Hey guys, Pete Soma here at MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. Today we're going to do a walkthrough on the 2025 Saxdor 400 GTO. We'll start here in the transom. This boat is powered by twin Mercury 400 V10s. It's an excellent power package for this boat. This stands out right away for me. This all glass transom door here. Again, access in and out of the boat on both sides. Storage is going to be mirrored here and there. We have twin fold down balconies. And again, when we get in the cockpit, I'll kind of showcase off that a little bit more. This is the GTO version. So we do have isinglass. This is also available in a full glass enclosure. Right now we have everything opened up, kind of giving us a little breeze inside the boat. Back here, we have a gorgeous, really big sun pad. Again, we can open it, flip it. You can actually slide it forward and back. Again, depending on how you're using the boat that day. All right. And then we can flip up our backrest like so. Again, really, really versatile boat here. All right. Making our way into the cockpit. Cockpit table. Again, that can go up and down. We can convert this into a little bit of a lounge area. Port side seating over here. Again, when we can fold out both of these sides, we can fold this seat inward, and then again, looking out into the water, really changing the boat up. We do have our panoramic roof right here. All right, cooktop, sink, fridge, and all of our handy storage compartments there. We have another fridge right there. All right, back towards the helm. Twin Simrad displays, all of our halo switching right here. We have a Simrad display right here, again, only for engine data. Because we have the twin white Mercury 400s, we do have Axios joystick, but we also have a bow thruster system in place. Again, really great visibility here on this windshield. Again, if we did opt for the full glass enclosure, it would be like this all the way around. All right, let's go check out downstairs. Right away, we have our head compartment. That is a wet head. So we do have a little board there on top of the actual toilet. So again, if you were washing, and then here, this would be our forward V berth. Again, we have a little ventilation hatch here as well. We'll have shading everywhere. So if you do want to bring some of that natural light inside the boat, again, plenty of sunlight coming on in through the boat. Hideaway storage compartment right here with hanger. Let's go make our way up to the bow. All right, we'll have a very nice closable and opening door right here. Again, if it is a little bit colder and you're boating into the fall, you can close off the cockpit, turn this into a real 3-4 season boat. Ample seating up here, great storage all throughout. And we obviously have the Saxdor with their renowned for their catapulting windlass. Again, that'll go outward and then deploy down. Great seating, cup holders everywhere. This really is the awesome day boat. All right, guys, again, Pete Soma here at MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. This boat is available and here at our showroom. I'll see you on the water.